Today, I'm walking you through exactly how to sort data in a Confluence table with a full up-to-date guide for 2024. By the end of this video, you'll know not only how to reorder your tables easily, but also how to avoid common little mistakes that can slow you down. If you've ever stared at a growing mess of info in your Confluence tables and just wished you could quickly make sense of it, stick around. This tutorial will get you there, so let's jump right in. The first thing you'll need to do is open your Confluence account. Now, I know that one sounds obvious, but make sure you're actually logged into the correct workspace. Sometimes we've got multiple accounts floating around, and it's easy to land in the wrong spot. If your organization uses single sign-on, give that a moment to load, and if you have two-factor authentication, it's a good time to get that code ready. Now, once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the exact Confluence page that contains the table you want to organize. If you're working from recent updates or have it bookmarked, even better, it's all about saving time. If not, you may need to use the search bar at the top or browse through your spaces and page tree on the left. Just take a moment to double-check you're on the right page, especially if your team tracks a lot of versions or drafts. You really don't want to sort a table and realize afterward you were in last week's notes by mistake. With the right page open, move your cursor towards the table itself and click anywhere inside it. This tells Confluence that you're focusing on that specific table, which is important so you don't accidentally activate tools for something else on the page. Sometimes tables may look similar, especially if you have several, so check the column headers or unique data points just to be certain you've got your hands on the right one. Here, where things can get a tiny bit tricky, so let's break it down. You might notice a small down-pointing arrow on the right side of the table. It's easy to assume that this is for sorting the table, but actually that arrow controls other table options, like deleting or copying the table as a whole. So pause for a second and don't click that one. What you want instead is the down arrow that appears right on the top of each table column. It's basically sitting in the header of the column, not floating off to the side. Hover your mouse over the column you'd like to sort. Maybe it's by date, name, or priority, whatever fits your current needs, and you'll see a little down arrow icon appear. Click that one. When you do, a sort menu pops up, letting you choose either ascending or descending order. For example, you might want to arrange tasks from earliest to latest date or sort clients alphabetically. Select the sort you want, and almost instantly your table will reshuffle to reflect your chosen order. And that's really it. The table is now sorted to help you see the data in the way that makes the most sense for your work right now. If you don't see the arrow, make sure you're actually in edit mode, or check that your table was inserted using Confluence's native table tools. So give yourself a moment to admire that nicely organized list. If anything went sideways, don't worry, just undo the sort or refresh if you want to start over. Sorting, when done right, can really cut through the clutter and help your team stay on top of what matters most. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into an odd issue, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical Confluence tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.